The Documents tool is a table view of the documents in the corpus. You can click on a document to jump to that document in the reader and to see the trends across the document. Up here, you can click on the little arrow to add or remove columns. And down here in the search bar, you can search for specific terms to see which documents they appear in. If you click on Modify, you can add, remove, and reorder documents. You can also select documents and press Keep to create a new corpus from those documents. You can click Download to download the corpus. Up here you can click Export to open the tool in a new tab, to export HTML code or reference, and you can export the data as HTML, text, or JSON. Here you can switch to a different tool, and if you click on the question mark, you get more information about the tool.